In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain on Hostgator. If you've ever found yourself needing to update or replace a domain, Hostgator makes the process straightforward and manageable. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can follow along seamlessly. Let's start by heading over to the Hostgator website. First, open your favorite web browser and type in hostgator.com. This is your portal to managing your web hosting needs. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, add your username or email and your password, then click the login button to access your Hostgator account dashboard. Once inside, you'll notice a menu filled with a variety of options, each tailored to help you manage your account. For now, we need to focus on the home page, commonly referred to as the Hostgator home. Here, look for a section labeled Domains. Clicking on Domains is our next major step. This section is crucial because it houses all the domain-related functionalities you need. You'll find a list of domains you own along with options to manage them. Just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's straightforward but offers a lot of critical information at a glance. Within the Domains section, locate the Custom Name Servers option. This option plays a significant role when it comes to changing domains. Click on it and you'll be redirected to an interface allowing customization of your domain server settings. This is where you have control over which servers your domain points to. Here we come to the pivotal part of the process, editing your name servers. There should be a prompt asking you to enter the new name server information that you wish to use. Carefully type in the new name server details, double checking each character to avoid any misconfigurations that may interrupt your domain's operation. Once you've ensured everything is correct, finalize the change by applying the updates. That's it! You have successfully navigated through changing your domain on Hostgator. Ensure to verify that the changes propagate across servers, which might take a little time. This process is crucial because it affects where your domain will resolve to on the internet. Thank you for watching and following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you now possess the knowledge to efficiently manage your domain settings on Hostgator. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the additional resources offered by Hostgator or ask for assistance through their customer support. Happy managing!